Throw me a ground ball. Ground ball. Ground ball. Another one. Now you do it. Let me see you.
Okay.
Put the glove on.
You ready?
No, what did I tell you? Stand up.
Oh, Chris.
Stand up, butt down, right?
Okay.
Huh?
Yep.
Alright, never go down on your knees. Just put the glove down, 2 hands, right? Get the hand in front. Catch the ball. Ready? Next one. Get that one. Throw it back. Step and throw. Ready?
Yep.
No, go. Butt up. Ready?
Yep.
Glove in front. Ready?
Yep.
2 hands. Good job. Step and throw. The other way, other foot, other foot. Ready?
Yep.
2 hands. Good job. Throw it now. Step and throw.
Now we're all done, huh?
Ready?
Yep.
And come faster.
I don't want to.
Get it, get it.
I don't want to do that anymore.
Want to catch it with the other glove? Dinosaurs?